Welcome to Radio Fixer's channel. Subscribe for upcoming videos. Hello and welcome back to my channel. This upcoming video, I call it Showcase. What Showcase radios are the radios that they do not need that much work, but they are very unique. The way you access it, go to my channel, select playlist. Right here you will see it's called Showcase. Feel free to access all those videos. And meanwhile you're here in this channel, go ahead and subscribe. And this is where it's located, subscription icon. And select the bell so you'll be notified for upcoming video, and select the thumbs up so YouTube suggests this video to others. Thank you so much.
The world's favorite comic book hero, followed by 84 million readers a year. Now he comes alive. For the first time on the screen, you'll see it all. The spectacular adventures of the amazing Spider-Man. At last, he comes alive for his most incredible adventure. Astounding live-action excitement. The super adventure of everybody's favorite superhero. Spider-Man. Now, he lives.
This is a 1993 AM FM radio. It's very interesting. The reason I was interested about this radio, when you start turning the knob, it actually, the Spider-Man goes up and you can adjust the station. Very interesting. And it runs on AM and FM, as you see. So let's turn it on. Of course the fluorescent light is on. It might not pick up very well. Alright, right now we are in FM. It sounds pretty good too. Yes, of course it's FM, as you can see. Alright, we're gonna, it's picking up many stations. We're gonna change now the station to AM.
If we take you as a client, I guarantee we'll cancel your time share. In their mind.
So it's pretty interesting. It holds 4 AA battery.
WJNJ 1320 AM, Jacksonville, Florida. W224EF 92.7 FM, Orange Park, Florida. W279 AD 103.7 FM, Atlantic Beach Boulevard, Florida. 92.7 FM y 103.7 FM. Una estación más de Northern Media.
I'm going to turn it on so YouTube does not kick the video out. That's what I bought. This is very interesting radio, the way they made it, especially the Spider-Man, you know, goes up and down by changing the knob. It's very different radio. I like this crazy stuff. This is definitely going to be added to my crazy collection of radios. I love different transistor radios. The one that have characters, I call them. At this time, I want to take the opportunity and thank my subscribers with their uplifting comments. You always encourage me to upload more videos, since this is just a hobby of mine. Again, I appreciate you. Enjoy all these videos, and you all have an awesome day. Take care. If you're interested to see more videos like this, feel free to subscribe to my channel, and you will be notified when a new video being uploaded. You have a great day.